Hi everyone, welcome back to Valrine's Home and Gardens. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. I appreciate you. Now in this video, I will be showing you how I made these chic, fashionable knitted pillows. And you can too. Let's get started. Oh, sorry, my friends. Did I mention that these are actually knitted placemats. Yes, they are. I bought them from the thrift store, and I actually bought the cord that I'm using to do the project from the same thrift store. If you have somebody who would appreciate a project like this, please share the video with them. Also, leave me your comments below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget those thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.